So
What they're saying?
this is like it's like a couple of crash, couple of accidents happened over there,
Hmm.
and they are cleaning them up,
Okay.
and as soon as possible
Hmm.
they will open the road. So maybe a couple of hours.
So what do you think? What do you guys suggest? Should we wait here or should we just turn around and go back
I
to where?
think go back to Santa Rosa is
Santa
smart.
Rosa? Smart move?
Yeah. So we can wait over there, and as soon as they open this, we can come back.
Or don't you think so? We should wait. Just check that out on the other side of the traffic.
The traffic is crazy on this actually.
Yeah.
But the only thing is like if we go back there,
Don't you think so? That trucker, he's also trying to like
yeah, I think
move,
he's trying to go back or
go back and
turn
turn back.
around.
Like there is a really heavy traffic. I think so now. People are stuck. We've been here like no, we were stuck there. Oh my god, it's more than 2 hours. It was 5 when we stopped here. Do you remember? And now it's 8, right? We've been here since 3 hours? Fuck man. I think so. See, there's another car. Did you see this car, the gray car? I think so. They're also gonna try to go back. I think so. They're gonna turn around. Can you see these two, those two truckers? See, I think so. They're also thinking to turn around. So did the 911, what did they say?
So it's not a lot. So they're cleaning like as soon as they clean it up.
Okay. Should we wait for like 10 or 20 minutes more? What do you think? Right?
Yeah. Let's move it go to back.
At 8:30, if we can't see any,
Not by 8:30.
maybe 8:30, then we're gonna go back. Okay. Why don't you show by your side? What is your? Please bear it. Otherwise, it's going to be a really cold.
Banana.
Okay.